Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make charts auto-update. Let's get started. A common problem with Excel charts is that sometimes people add more data to the spreadsheet and forget to include the new data in the chart. That's exactly what happened here. Our last few rows are missing from the chart. The worst part is you may not even realize that your chart is using incomplete or out-of-date data. But I'm going to show you an easy way to make sure your chart always stays up to date. First, I'll delete the old chart. Now the trick is to format your source data as a table. To do this, make sure one of the cells in your data is selected. Then on the Home tab, go to Format as Table, and you can click whichever format you prefer. It really doesn't matter which one. Since our data has a header row, we'll leave this checked and click OK. With the table still selected, we'll go to the Insert tab and choose a chart type. I'm going with a column. Now if we add more data just below the table, it gets automatically looped into the table. We know that it's part of the table because we're adding the table formatting to each new row. Best of all, since our chart is connected to this table, the new rows are added to the chart as well. So this chart will always stay up to date, no matter how much data we add. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.